There he goes.
What's wrong with you, birdie? Dance with the bird. How come the bird look like you? Similar, similar messy haircut. Hi, excuse me. Hi everyone, meet me again. So there's no flood at the moment, but still raining, and everything on the street has been taken care of by the council. So all clear up, no more garbage, no more pile of trash. So now we have company since our pet sitting business still open, so people still need us. Now we got company. So I'm going to show you this one. So this animal is new. It's never been here before. And well, actually the owners, they live in the farm. They have so many dogs, so many cats. So they asked me to feed all their pets every 2 days. I need to go to the farm to feed their dogs and cats, while they have another pet who will be staying with us. They said this pet is new. They have this pet for 5 months. Well, let me show you. This is it. A parrot. A parrot. Hello, birdie. Isn't it beautiful? Hello, birdie. Hello. Now you shy. Before you were like screaming, screaming, always. It likes me. Yeah. Yeah. See, it's very loud. You are small but very loud. Shush. Shush, birdie. Why are you so loud? Jeez, birdie. I forgot its name. What is your name? Don't know. See, this bird sometimes can. It looks like it's listening to me. Every time I speak, it will move its head up and down. Yeah. No need to scream. Hey. Jeez, birdie. Shush.
I got it.
1, 2, 3. Go.
No.
There he goes.
What's wrong with you, birdie?
Yeah, likes your hair, I reckon.
No, every time I look at that bird, it will just. See, it's getting ready. See?
Yeah.
Oh. See? Every time it look. Every time the bird's looking at me, it will. See?
It comes back. It's going to try on some people.
Dance with the bird. How come the bird look like you? Similar, similar messy haircut. Oh.
Okay? He listens. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a female bird. That's
Yeah,
why.
no problem.
See, with me,
You like Esty?
with me it goes
You like
wild.
Esty? Yeah? Or not? Like Esty?
Crazy bird.
You are. You're crazy.
So seems like that this bird really hates me. She must be a girl. Right, since you hate me. Do you hate me? Hmm? Do you hate me, Orange? Hmm? Well, do you hate me or not? Huh? Orange! Orange! She's actually beautiful. But yeah, she hates me. She likes listening. Orange! Eh? Look at her dancing.